Mahavatar Babaji, immortal Himalayan yogi. Who is Mahavatar Babaji? For what purpose this deathless yogi exists in this world? Is that possible to remain immortal? What is the real Kriya Yoga? All these questions can be answered to certain extent by reading the book An Autobiography of a Yogi, written in 1946 by Sri Paramahamsa Yogananda, the great Kriya Yogi. By reading his book, we can go through a series of miracles performed by various yogis, their yogic techniques, the science behind the resurrections after death, divine healing, miraculous transformations of the mindset of people, etc. Babaji, an immortal Himalayan yogi, an avatar, a divinely appointed medium of supernal blessings on the world. Babaji not yet revealed the details about his birthplace, family, etc. to the common public, even though some people who deviated from the real Kriya Yoga path engaged themselves in spreading the hallucinatory descriptions about Babaji's whereabouts. The real sadhakas should keep themselves away from all these kind of rumors and should focus more on their sadhana practices for experiencing the higher truth. Misinterpreting glare of publicity has no place in Babaji's millennial plans. So far, no historical evidences are available about the formless creator of this universe. In the same way, Babaji remains in a humble obscurity, in silence, unaffected, without historical documentations. This great Guru has never openly appeared in any century. Babaji's mission in India has been to assist prophets in carrying out their special dispensations. So far, many spiritually developed souls have received his direct vision and blessings. This great Himalayan master always likes to remain in the subtle world and in the surroundings of mountains, dense forests and caves. There are so many other spiritual giants like Babaji who all remain in the great mystery and have instructed their disciples to maintain complete silence about them. So, it is a real hard task for the ordinary people to get the whereabouts of these kind of spiritual masters. That is why they remain world unknown. With the help of Paramahamsa Yoganandaji's narration, we can try to portray an outline about the physical appearance of this deathless yogi, Mahavatar Babaji. Babaji has no mark of age on his body. He appears to be a youth of not more than 25, fair-skinned, of medium build and height. Babaji's strong and beautiful body radiates a perceptible glow. His eyes are dark, calm and tender. His long lustrous hair is copper colored. Sometimes Babaji's face closely resembles to that of Lahiri Mahashaya. He is known to have appeared in slightly different forms to various devotees. His undecayable body requires no food. The master therefore seldom eats. But as a social courtesy to the visiting disciples, he occasionally accepts fruits or rice cooked in milk and clarified butter. Divine incarnations like Sri Krishna and Jesus Christ come to earth for a specific and spectacular purpose. They depart as soon as it is accomplished and will become part of the history. Other avatars like Babaji undertake work that is concerned more with the slow evolutionary progress of mankind during the centuries than with any one outstanding event of history. Such masters always veil themselves from the gross public gaze and have the power to become invisible at will. Today's modern world is blessed with the knowledge of Kriya Yoga with the help of Lahiri Mahashaya in 19th century. Now it is spreading all over the world. Lahiri Mahashaya said, Whenever anyone utters with reverence the name of Babaji, that devotee attracts an instant spiritual blessing. The 8th century sage Adi Shankaracharya, 15th century saint Kabir, 19th century disciple Sri Lahiri Mahashaya, Sri Yukteswaragiri, the sleepless saint Ram Gopal Majumdar, Sri Paramhamsa Yogananda, and many others received the direct blessings and initiation from Babaji. The great Advaita philosopher and yogi Adi Shankaracharya received Kriya Yoga initiation from Babaji in Varanasi. Babaji himself narrated about the details of his great meeting with Adi Shankara to Lahiri Baba and to Swami Kevalanandaji. Babaji compassionately has promised the life after life well-being and responsibility of all the faithful and loyal Kriya Yogis who have been initiated by the duly authorized Kriya Masters. And when it is needed, he will send his disciples to guide the sadhakas properly. Hope we all can attain the proper evolution of our consciousness and can receive the blessings of the divine avatar Babaji. Hope to meet you soon with another yogi saint. Thank you and good luck.